Another Jurassic World hybrid? All right! Let's get started. Let's get started. The name of this dinosaur is codenamed as the Scorpios Rex. Basically, this dinosaur hybrid, has the traits of a scorpion fish. And for some reason, it has quills sticking out of his back. Go. Much like the Indoraptor, this guy walks on 4 legs. Sometimes it does. And check it out, it's got Velociraptor hooks. Let's see.
Hello, it's me, Thomas, the #1 food tankage. I've learned so many new things on my worldwide adventure that I love sharing. Let's discover more.
Home should be about you.
We believe that objects can be really powerful. Embrace your own personality and feel free to break rules. Your space should be a reflection of you.
Is hair loss impacting your life? Never in a million years ever think that something like that can happen to me.
Here's his hook.
With our latest innovation,
my life is essentially being like, how do I have tools that can
Kill us out. You can start to see improvement in your hair in just 3 months of consistent use. Once I actually saw side-by-side photos of my before and after, it was incredible. For exclusive offers and to find out more, go to capillas.com/TV today. Veteran homeowners, are you applying for a car loan? The monthly payments can be expensive. With an affordable home loan from New Day, you can pay cash and own the car or truck of your dreams.
Call 1-844-979-2675.
Moving into Georgia right now, and Governor Brian Kemp is going to speak to that.
I really don't understand why they didn't include a Scorpios Rex in the 3rd Jurassic World movie. I mean, this guy would have been a huge deal in the Jurassic Park series.
Information officer at the Board of Commissioners in Loudon County, Georgia. And Megan, what are you guys preparing for? Are you already seeing the effects of Idalia?
Yes, definitely. We opened our emergency operations center here in Lowndes County at 6 a.m. with local elected officials, first responders, and emergency management personnel, and we started seeing the effects and conditions deteriorating here in Lowndes County. We've seen gusts of 57 miles per hour, and we also seen tons of power lines down in our community. And so our message to our residents right now here in Lowndes County, Valdosta, Georgia, is to please shelter in place, stay off of our roadways, and allow the winds to calm down so then our first responders and power companies can get out and get those power lines off of the roadways and get your power back on.
Let's see,
Is that one of
eraser
your biggest concerns is
on.
either the snapping of trees and the downing of the power lines mixed with both
There's his toe claw.
And for a couple of days. So we just want our residents to be prepared and know that we are working around the clock and it's all hands on deck.
Megan, obviously this is probably not your first hurricane, and I'm wondering about all the different ways you, as a public information officer, you work to get communications out. For those that might be watching right now or watching Fox Weather, which is an excellent resource, what are you wanting them to know right now?
Please stay off of the roads and shelter in place until conditions improve for Lowndes County. And we will provide that information here locally through EMA.
There's his toe.
And then our local code red emergency notification system.
Megan, thank you so much for your time. We wish you all the best there as the storm came ashore at 7:45 a.m. Megan, we'll say goodbye to you and wish you the best, and let's stay in touch to make sure everybody's okay there.
Yes, thank you. And
Here's his tail. Now, the next thing we draw is...
Yeah, I mean, that's a great message because a lot of troubles happen as this flooding comes in. And we saw in Hurricane Ian, a lot of people went out and then their cars were stuck in the surging floodwaters.
Here are the spikes sticking out of his back.
And it came up later. So it is a good message to have. They've got a lot of people that are trying to...
Here are the quills sticking out of his tail.
We don't mean to downplay any sense of this storm. We could hear from Governor DeSantis that the destruction was pretty heavy in places like Keaton Beach and where the high passed. But some of these communities are saying they're faring better than they thought they would when all of this started.
And done. That is how you draw Scorpios Rex. If they ever had a sequel to Camp Cretaceous, well, it would involve something like Indoraptor. Also, they would also include a, let's see, what else would they include? Oh yeah, if they ever had a fourth movie, they would add the Scorpios Rex as one of the hybrids. Hopefully we'll get to see him in person. This might be the third hybrid. They might exactly put this in the third movie and give it another creation in Camp Cretaceous. What can I say? Jurassic World's been one of my favorites. And all this from a mosquito fossil. I just hope we can see more of this. Too bad the mosquito fossil was broken. Good thing I bought it off of the Amazon. Good thing we bought it off of Amazon. Anyway, I just wish that Jurassic World would keep going and would include more hybrids like this soon. And kids, if you like dinosaurs, you're happy to check out the playlist. Dinosaur, see you later, guys.